viewers, update to Negase. The first update: Nagaland Congress slams university decision to name library after Rashtriya Swamyasevak Sangh founder. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee (NPCC) has described the decision of International University Monimpur, formerly the Global Open University Nagaland, to name their recently inaugurated Central Library after Dr. Kesav Baliram Hedawgar, the founder of Rashtriya Swamyasevak Sangh, as the profoundly troubling. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee strongly denounced this device act of International University and will oppose their effort to poison our children's mind. Unapologetically and unwaveringly, it stated in a press release issued on Wednesday. While the establishment of library in itself is laudable, it is asserted doing so in honor of the founder of ideology of RSS, an organization rooted in the idea of converting India into an RSS ideology, confirming Hindutva state, speak to the intolerance and bigotry of university. So itu NPCC khan Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee khan tahan itu object kori ase itu university la naam tu itu Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh eneka naam tahan dibula ase aru itu to related to RSS Rashtriya itu Sangh Seva eneka ase itu lapote aru itu Hindutva la political ideology ke define korena tahan itu oppose kore ase Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee khan to moi itu short update ke janai dia ase first. Next update to eneka ase important update ase Norman post your college host photography workshop to ekta photography workshop thakina taise tahan to Norman post your college khan Norman Poster College hosted a photography workshop featuring J. Adam Huggins, an acclaimed photographer and photojournalist from Toronto, Canada, on Wednesday. Known for his work with the New York Times, Elle magazine, and Der Spiegel, Huggins shared his expertise on travel and documentary photography, stated in a press release. With experience in over 20 countries, the release stated that Huggins has documented the life of manual laborer, fishermen, and marginalized communities in Japan, Alaska, and Congo. So, eneka tai berai na eneka tai filming korina aro documentary eneka korina banaise aro photography eneka korina release korise. Etu bishi bhal information ase. He presented photography as both an artistic expression and as a research-driven medium, illustrating his role in visual storytelling. तो ताला photography तो artistic expression की भी derive करे आरो ताला इतो art तो आरो storytelling के भी एकदम भाल पूरा define करना को पारे को ना आप जन की तो मोय short पूरा जाने दियो पारे से